All right, thank you, Andrew. Time now is 6:02, and a new case of the coronavirus has been confirmed, this one in California, bringing the U.S. total to 3 confirmed cases.
The U.S. is also investigating several other possible cases, including several here in Metro Detroit. This new case comes as health officials in China scramble to stop the spread of coronavirus. And now the U.S. is working for U.S. embassy staff to get in China to get back home. It was an uncharacteristically subdued Lunar New Year in China, with nearly 2,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the country, and now at least 56 deaths from it. State television reported the country's president met with other leaders yesterday to discuss measures to fight the outbreak. Meanwhile, the U.S. consulate in the epidemic-stricken city of Wuhan is chartering a plane to evacuate U.S. consulate staff and their families from China. Many Americans in the region are getting a little nervous.
A lot of us are kind of, getting a little restless.
In the U.S., there are 3 confirmed cases, one in Washington state, another in Illinois, and a third in California.
She had cold-like symptoms, shortness of breath, fever.
Officials in 22 states have sent samples to the CDC for testing, but health officials right now say the regular old flu, which kills tens of thousands of people every year in the U.S., is a much bigger threat to Americans.
A lot of people are concerned about the coronavirus because they're hearing a lot of news about it right now. But the reality is, comparing it to the flu, for example, it's not even close to being at that stage.
Despite the low risk, pharmacies in New York City are reporting a run on surgical masks as people try to keep from getting sick. And the World Health Organization has released new information about what you can do to reduce your risk of possible coronavirus. They say to frequently wash hands using alcohol-based soap and water and avoid close contact with anyone who may have a fever or a cough.